Hi there, in this video I'm going to teach you how to insert text symbol in Microsoft Word. To insert the text symbol, you need to place the cursor at where you want to insert it. So in this case, you want to insert the text symbols here. Now you navigate to the insert tab, then on the symbols group, you click on it, go to the drop down more symbols, then on windings you scroll and look for the text symbol, select it, insert, and click OK. Click close to close it. Now we have the symbol inserted here. Now if you want to insert it again, this time around, you go to symbols and you see that it is added to the recently used inserted symbols. Then you click on it to insert. You go to where you want to insert it again, symbols, insert, then one more time. And that is how to insert the text symbol in Microsoft Word. Guys, thank you so much for watching.